It's Happy Bed Channel. It's me, Tara, and Zoe. Ew, it goes. Anyways, well, the reason why I'm making this video because I'm like so bored and, well, yeah. So today, I just, want to make a video how I started on this channel. So, yeah. Oh god, wait. It was when I was 5, and well, I really wanted to be on YouTube. And then I started, and I recorded pony videos because I never had LPS, and I always wanted LPS because I saw all those videos until, well, I got Tara. I loved playing with her. And then I got my other LPS. For example, Bianca. Until then, Bianca became my favorite. And I was thinking about making her as my mascot. And then I became a mascot with her. And then there was Zoe. Then I loved playing with Zoe, and I kind of forgot about Tara. And yeah. And yes. But soon Bianca's gonna be back. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and you'll like hearing my story. And, well, if I sound a little bit weird, then that must be because my nose is like ready. So, yeah, and I hope you enjoy once again. Oh, bye. Bye.